Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 311 East Street in Pittsford.
This is a mint condition brick colonial on a private 1-acre lot.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this beautiful, expansive entryway, leading to a foyer with beautiful hardwood floors and an adjacent formal dining room with wainscoting, and living room with new carpeting and nature views, plus a powder room and laundry too.
This is mint condition updated living, with a gorgeous kitchen featuring beautiful wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a center island breakfast bar, and a dining area. Open to a classic family room with a wood-burning stove and custom built-ins. All with patio access and scenic nature views. The upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including the spacious owner's suite with 2 closets, including a walk-in and bath. While the partially finished walkout lower level offers great additional living space with an office or potential bedroom and a full bathroom, plus great storage. Enjoy this 1-acre private backyard oasis with a resort-style in-ground pool with exquisite landscaping and a stamped concrete patio, a dining area, a sprawling yard, and a nature view deck. What a great place to entertain! This stunning brick home has a rare and private location that is tucked away and surrounded by nature, yet minutes to the village of Pittsford and great parks.
Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 311 East Street in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!